Hi, I'm Sneha. I moved from Hyderabad to Pune very recently because I switched jobs and I had to move, which itself was a big issue because I have a house set up in Hyderabad and there were just too many things. I prefer to move mostly because it's more economically sensible. Setting up a house takes a lot of money as compared to just moving it, which is why I started looking for options to start moving my things instead of going shopping all over again. Which is where I came across Easy Move. Generally, when you're looking for packers and movers, you either do it online or you have to physically step out to find it. And to find five or six packers and movers, get quotations from them, that itself takes a few days. Why the first reason why I was impressed with Easy Move is that time is completely cut out. So their platform allows you to go in, input your details of when you're moving or to where you're moving, along with what are the things you need to move. So once you fill that form out and you put it up there, someone calls you from Easy Move. And they will also give you a couple of options in terms of quotations and how much it's going to cost you. They will also help you pick the best guys for you. So everyone has certain criteria. For me, it was time. I had to move in less than a week. So for me, they helped me pick a guy who will deliver in a short period of time. Again, big time saver there. The next step, which also made it easier for me, is that I'm a single girl. I have no one to help me, so I have to schedule this between work and between coordinating with the company that I'm moving to, and a lot of the other things that go into moving a house. So finding the packers and movers and finding someone who will call me from their end and get in touch with me and come in for a survey was just so much easier and so much more effective. So there will be a guy who will come in from the agency. He will come down, he will sit down, mark out the things that you need to move, figure out what kind of wrapping material they need and what is the wrapping they need, and he will then tell you at what time do you want the house shifted. And they are on time. They are always on time. So the next day I met these guys on Saturday. I told them that I want my things shipped out tomorrow and I will need it to probably come into Pune in probably a day or two's time. And they actually did it. So the next day morning, they came in at 10 o'clock, and I had prepared myself for spending an entire day on this. But no, these guys came in with everything they needed. I had to do nothing. They packed my entire house up. So a full 2-bedroom house was packed up in 2 hours and loaded in 1.5 hours. And they told me, this is the number. These are the guys who will be moving your. This is how you can get in touch with the people who will be moving your things, and it will be there on Monday afternoon, evening latest. It was there. So these guys themselves called me. I didn't have to call and track them. They called me themselves and said, okay, we're here, and give me the directions to your place, and we'll come in about half an hour or so. And they were there. Now, even better, not just being there, even the people who moved the things and came in to unload, extremely helpful. They unwrapped everything, placed everything as I wanted it, from setting up the bed to the TV table to the sofa set, everything was done and everything was placed as I wanted it. The biggest advantage is the guys that they use, extremely professional and well mannered. So being a girl in the house by myself with 3 men I don't know was not an hassle. These guys were respectful. They made sure they kept their distance. They handled everything beautifully. So if you are looking to move by yourself, another reason why using Easy Move is a good idea. In terms of charges, brilliant. There were no hidden charges. I paid exactly what they quoted to me and not even a little bit more than that. So for me, moving actually was happy moving because of Easy Move.